Hello friends, welcome to Stack Developers YouTube channel. We are going to see new features and enhancements of Laravel 12 in this video. So let's start. The first one is enhanced application structure. The Laravel 12 refines the directory structure, making it more streamlined and easier to navigate. And the configurations files are now more intuitive, reducing unnecessary customization and helping developers set up projects faster. The simplified structure improves onboarding for new team members. So, see, this is the big feature of Laravel 12. So, Laravel 12 continues this trend seen in Laravel 11 as well by refining its application structure. Once again, we are going to see its application structure in a proper streamlined way, more clean, we can say, and more simplified, we can say. Okay, so this is the really a good feature, that good advantage, we can say, for Laravel developers to see the clean and streamlined structure. The next one is advanced query builder enhancements. Okay, so see, if you have seen these subqueries, we used to add lot of subqueries in our Laravel e-commerce series as well, and these subqueries looks like this, like if we have some kind of we want to add some kind of conditions, like the where conditions, multiple where conditions, or we want to use some or where conditions. So we use the subqueries like this, like here we have used it, like where price is less than 1000, or where discount is greater than 30. Like if we want to search the products that are active, and also the price is less than 1000, and the discount must be greater than 30, then we are required to use the subqueries. But now the Laravel 12 introduces nested where function. See, it's the new function that we can use with Laravel 12, and it see it how much the approach is simple now. Just we are required to mention this nested where. No need of require this subquery, and it looks very simple here. See, nested where price is less than 1000 or discount is greater than 30. See how much simplified code it is. So once again, this one as well, we can see the simplifying approach of advanced queries. Okay, so it improves the readability and makes queries more efficient. So the another benefit that we can see in Laravel 12, that is the security enhancements. So this, as far as the security is concerned, again, once again, we can see the Laravel 12 strengthens validation with secureValidate, which adds automatic secure enhancements. Like whenever we validate some data, whenever we validate password, these are the required and minimum 8 characters we can do with the validator class, as we all know. But now we can also add the strong. See, we can see the another advantage, like we can tell the user whether its password is strong or not strong. Otherwise we are required to use the sometimes the third party, sometimes we are required to use the we are required to build the jQuery functions. Okay, but now it automatically give you the built-in strong keywords that you can use with this secure validate. So such kind of things, security enhancements, comes with the Laravel 12 as well. So this ensures stronger password policies and better security compliance. Okay, so this is the another advantage in Laravel 12. Now, other than that, we can see enhanced API development. So the API development gets a boost with native GraphQL support and a new API versioning syntax. See, we can see this kind of syntax we have used in the API series, React.js series as well. We can see the version 1 will be included in the URL itself, in the route itself. But now we have better approach. We can see, we can say, like it's the API version. We can make the group of the API version, like it is API version 1. Okay, we can make this group and the another group, like whenever the API version 2 will launch, we will mention here the API version 2. So we will make the group, and inside that group we will just store all our routes, all our API routes. Okay, so it is the better approach of doing these things, so it enhance the API development as well. So this is the another advantage that we are going to see in Laravel 12. So the another one is we will now have the improved testing and debugging tools. Laravel 12 introduces an AI-powered debugging assistant for real-time issue resolution. A new debug method, that is the debug variable, along with the suggest object. It provides actionable recommendations, replacing traditional DD debugging. See, so far we are using DD a lot for debugging our code. Okay, but now better approach is here. You can see that debug variable suggest. So this is the better way that we can see with the Laravel 12. We are going to use all this in Laravel 12 e-commerce series that we are going to start soon. We will use all these features there as well, so that you are going to see them practically. Okay, so we are going to use this new debug method, and we are going to see that how it will look exactly when we will try it practically. Okay, so right now we can just learn that it is we are going to have the improved testing and debugging tools in Laravel 12. Okay, so the another feature that we can see, that is the performance and scalability improvements. Performance is critical in modern web applications, especially for high traffic platforms. Laravel 12 introduces enhanced caching mechanisms, asynchronous processing support, and better utilization of modern PHP features. In PHP version, caching operations relied on synchronous processes, which could cause bottlenecks during heavy loads. The introduction of asynchronous caching operations speeds up data retrieval, especially for APIs and applications that frequently updates caches. Okay, so as far as the performance is concerned, we can see lot of improvements as we are going to use the asynchronous caching instead of the synchronous, so that's why its speed is going to increase. So that is the another advantage of Laravel 12 that we're going to see. So the another one is real-time features. Enhanced WebSocket support makes real-time application like chat systems and live notifications easier to implement. Better broadcasting allows instant updates to users without third-party services. So these real-time features we are going to see in Laravel 12. And the lastly, improved developer tools. New artisan commands. We are going to see the new artisan commands in Laravel 12 that will simplify common tasks like managing migrations and debugging. And developer experience is further improved with smarter CLA interactions and enhanced toolings. So the improved development tools we're going to see in Laravel 12. So the conclusion is Laravel 12 brings powerful enhancements that will boost efficiency, security, and performance. Whether you are building APIs, handling real-time data, or improving app security, these updates make development smoother and more productive. Okay, so friends, if you will find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Stack Developers YouTube channel for more Laravel content. So very soon, all these features we are going to implement in Laravel 12 e-commerce series as well. So don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you will not miss. And I'm going to tell you the Laravel 12 launch date, and that is on the February 24th, 2025. Okay, so I'm going to write here as well that the Laravel 12 launch date is 24th Feb 2025. Get ready for it, and we will start working on e-commerce, multi-vendor e-commerce series in Laravel 12, and we are going to see lot many new changes, and we are going to do it in a totally in a different way, in a better way. Okay, so please stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.